to a new episode, How to Learn JavaScript from Beginner to Advanced. Today we will continue about this boolean in JavaScript, and we will learn together how to create JavaScript booleans for beginner with if-else logic example. We will create together one example with a function who allow a person to enter into a club, for example. We have here one button, one HTML document with a button check access, and we have also a div, this result, ID result, with click the button to check access. Okay, I click the button. Nothing happens because I don't have JavaScript logic. I will put we put together this logic because just in this way you can learn how to code. Okay, we want to create a JavaScript code for checking if a person have the age greater than 18. No, if this person have greater than 18 the age, he can access in the club. Under is not allowed, and will display you can enter the you cannot enter the party. No. Okay, let's start it. I said that I will create this logic with boolean variable. No, when you create a logic with boolean value, you should to think how is the state of this boolean when the page are loading. Okay, when the page are load initially, this boolean who determine if user can enter or not will be false, because at the begin is false this boolean. Okay, let's create a function check access, and statement. Sorry, because I have the keyboard in my language. Okay, I change it. Here is twice, just one. Okay, statement, and in this statement should to put we start with this boolean value who determine if user can enter or not, and in this way we call our variable let can enter, and we assign it value false. No, let can enter equal false. This variable track if user have age greater or under 18. Okay, initially it's under, and the person cannot enter. Now should to generate a random age between 10 and 13. And for this create a new variable, let age equal. When you generate randomly a number, you use the function math that random. and with parentheses because you call this function. This method random generate a number from 0 to 1, but I want to generate a number between 10 and 30 and 30 is okay, and for this should to multiply, because I have 1, no, generate 1 or multiply 21 is 21, and also should to add this value with 10 because should to reach 30, the age 30. Okay, but this will generate with point with comma because math random can generate 1.20 and 1.20 multiply 21 plus 10 give me some number with comma with point, but I want an integer number, and I want an integer number that will round in down, and for this I use math.floor, another function who round down the number. Math.cell will round in up. For example, if I have I don't know 21.5, math floor will round to 21. If was here math.cell will round in up to 22. Okay, here I create a variable age who generate a random age between 10 and 12, 30. Let I put a comment. Okay, now should to create a function, should to create an if else to check if the person is allowed if have age 18 or older. And in this if I check age, no, this is the random number that was generated at this line, is greater or equal to 18, I can enter, no, because I am I am older than 18, and for this should to set the value of my boolean from false to true. I change boolean to true for show that I can to enter, and also I will put I display a message in console. Age plus age, the variable age, here is a string. You can enter the party plus this variable can enter for show you if it's true or false. Else I cannot enter, no. and for this should to change this value to false because I am under. And also we will add a messaging console. You cannot enter the party. Finally, I update the result on the page for show in HTML if I can't enter or not. In this result, no result inner text, age is not allowed or is allowed. Okay, let's see now the result. I click age 16, allowed to enter, false is false, and I have in console log message age 16, you cannot enter the party. You can enter the party, and also I have the value for this can enter here, no, who is false. No, in this I am in this part of code in else. Okay, again I go to output HTML, click again, age 18, allowed to enter is true. I am here because if age is greater or equal 18, and in my case my code generate me 18 and it's equal. Next line, can enter is true, that means I can't to enter, and I have the message age 18, you can enter the party, and also the value for this can enter is true. I am in if part of function. Okay, what I show you in this function, in this code, I show you that you can manipulate a variable boolean, put it to true or false as you need. If you need to, for example, to put false, that means you cannot enter. If you want to put true for a category, that means you can enter. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you understand how to use this boolean in JavaScript for beginner with if else, and I'm waiting for you in the next tutorial. All the best, and don't forget to use this boolean variable when are you coding. All the best.